Looking up into the night sky might never feel the same again. Thanks to NASA's super high-tech planet hunting telescope, we're getting a look at the universe like never before. Among the discoveries, even more real-life versions of Luke Skywalker's home planet, as portrayed in Star Wars. Worlds that actually see two suns rise and set every day. There's even evidence of conditions that could sustain life. Michio Kaku is professor of physics at City University of New York. You know, it wasn't that long ago that we kicked poor Pluto out of our solar system and we were down a planet, but now they're finding planets everywhere, it seems.
That's right. We are awash in planets. This is a game changer. 700 planets have been discovered. Every few days, astronomers say, bingo, 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 and we find yet another planet in space.
And these are obviously not in our solar system. They're orbiting other stars.
They are many hundreds of light years away, so we're not going to be able to visit them for maybe a few million years. However, it's a game changer because the holy grail of all this is to find a carbon copy of the Earth among that 700. So far, we found 3 that look very close to the Earth, but they're a little bit too big, a little bit too close to the mother star. But this year, we may actually say bingo and get an exact carbon copy of the Earth in space.
All right, but even if you find that, as you said, these things are so far away. I mean, the universe is a monstrous place. We're not going to be visiting them anytime soon.
The Saturn rocket, traveling at 25,000 miles per hour, would require a few 100,000 years to reach some of these planets. However, radio signals, perhaps we can eavesdrop on some radio signals, perhaps I Love Lucy from outer space. Leave It to Beaver. Maybe we'll be able to capture that with our TV sets here.
I'd love to see the sitcoms they're watching out there. And planets that actually have 2 suns?
This is right out of Star Wars. We have planets of all shapes, sizes, and temperatures, including the planets of science fiction. In Star Wars, Tatooine went around a double star system. We once thought that to be unstable, but there it is. A planet going around a double star system, just the way George Lucas predicted it in Star Wars.
So you would have the same kind of thing we have with the sun and the moon. I mean, rising and setting at 2 different times.
That's right. The sun would rise twice and set twice, and day and night cycles will be completely thrown a kilter.
I would hate to do the tide charts on that planet. That would be really a mess.
Imagine commuting and having daylight twice and sunset twice.
Well, it's a great story. Interesting place, the universe. Michio Kaku, thanks for bringing us some insight.